Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and activate an Airalo eSIM. So before you do that, make sure your device is like carrier unlocked. It means your device isn't tied to a contract with a mobile carrier. And if you are not sure what this is, call your SIM support number and ask if their carrier is locked or unlocked. And then also you have to make sure your mobile is eSIM compatible. So if you have a really outdated or old phone, chances are that phone is not eSIM compatible. So make sure you check your device to know if it is eSIM compatible. So iPhone SE and above are all eSIM compatible, and also Samsung. And make sure to check Airlo's website, this link here, or you can just Google your mobile device and then search for eSIM compatibility. You'll get the answer quickly. After that, you will have to buy an eSIM. So in this case, you have to go to Airalo's website and download the app. You can find it on both the Play Store and Apple Store. This is the app on Google Play and this is the app on Apple Store. Alright, then once you're on the website, choose like local eSIM, global eSIM, or home regional eSIM. I would recommend you go with local eSIM on the depending on the location you are traveling, and then you'll need to check factors like data, validity, and more. For example, if you are traveling to the United States and want a local eSIM, then you'll have these packages available, right? So if it's a short stay, for example, you will just be staying for 1 day, then you can get it. This is free eSIM here. It's you will get 1 GB data for 1 day, or if you want more, if you're planning on staying for a couple of days and want more data, then they have more options here. Like this 20 GB for 30 days, you'll get everything you need with this package. There are a couple of packages to choose from, so make sure you buy the one that you actually need. And after you buy your package, it's time to install your eSIM. So here, these are the methods. You can scan a QR code to start installation process if you buy the eSIM locally, or you can go to the app and follow the step-by-step prompts to install your eSIM, or you can enter your eSIM's details manually. So let me show you all the steps. So for example, let me show you the QR code. So this is the method here. So go to cellular, add a cellular plan, and then just enter the code. You'll see tutorial will be shown here. This is how you enter the code manually. Alright, and if you have a QR code, just add a cellular plan and then use the QR code option and just scan the QR code. So this website page here alone will guide you for every eSIM activation process. After that, all you have to do is activate the eSIM. It will activate instantly if you use the app, and also you can also make a purchase from the app as well. This will activate your SIM along with the purchase package process. Then all you have to do is connect to a local network. You can do this so by going to the settings, then cellular, then tap your SIM line, then just turn on this line. Also, you need to toggle data roaming, then select a network. And this is on iOS. The same can be also done on Android. Just go to settings, network and internet, choose mobile network, then turn on your SIM. Make sure you turn your data and data roaming, and that's it. So that is how you can purchase, activate Airalo SIM on your phone.